Hey everyone, in this video we are going to use Microsoft Excel to calculate the critical z-value necessary to form a confidence interval at a given level of confidence. There are some common confidence levels, and you should already have hopefully in your notes what the matching z-scores are for those. If you don't, you can always check out the link in the description that will take you to the stats page on the SSC's website. You can look at our flashcards. This is where we have the formulas for chapter 6, some examples, and of course some common confidence levels and their matching z-scores. So if your confidence level is on this list, great, you already have the z-score. If, however, you're given one that is not on the list, not one of the common ones, then we will use this Excel trick. So we are given 81%, 0.81. So it is close, but not quite. So we're going to use the Excel trick to calculate what the critical value is. So this is the Excel sheet I'm going to use. Remember, you can access Excel just by logging into your YCCC email to use the web version. You don't have to download anything, which makes it nice. I will leave a link in the description to our Microsoft resource page where there are instructions on how to do that. I will also see if I can make this particular sheet downloadable to you so you can open it up, or at the very least you can copy and paste this exact formula. That way you don't have to retype it every single time because it looks a little bit scary. But luckily, the only thing you need to do for this formula is just change C. If you can just copy and paste this into Excel and change C with whatever value you're given, you're good to go. We were given 0.81, replace, enter, there it is. And all you're going to have to do is make sure that you round properly. Usually we round z-scores to 2 decimal places. So this one would be 1.31. That's it. And I do believe the question specified 2 decimal places. So there you go. If your critical value, if your confidence level is 81%, your critical value is 1.31. So all you have to do is just like I said, replace, this was a C, replace C with whatever they've given you. So I don't know, let's say we had 88% instead of 81%. There we go. And then just round appropriately. So this will be available to you in the description. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out. And I wish you the best of luck.